Welcome to M365 Professional. With your files saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, use version history in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint to go back to a previous version. Open a file. Select the down arrow next to the file name and select Version History. Choose one of the versions. Click through the changes to see what is different. Choose if you want to save a copy or restore to go back to this version. This works in Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, in the web, or in the desktop apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.